Hello, I'm Marielle Guttridge and I'm the Equine Events Officer on the Arwain DGC project, which aims to promote the responsible use of antimicrobials in animals and the environment.
AMR is an increasing problem. It is a natural process where microorganisms attain the ability to resist treatments that were previously effective, but there's no doubt that it is increasing, and there are many factors behind that, but centrally it's we need to make sure we're not overusing or misusing medicines. We can do something about AMR. We can reduce the incidence. There are two main things that we can do. We can try and prevent or reduce the risk of infections in the first place, and we can make sure that we effectively treat any infections that may arise. For example, biosecurity is very important. If you've got a population of horses, to not bring an infection into that population, and that might involve some testing, for example, blood sampling. Husbandry management of horses as well is very important in reducing the risk of these diseases infecting the horses.